Hey guys, it's Melanie. So today I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful text without worrying about the spacing issues that most of us experience in Cricut Design Space. As you see on the screen, this is a font that I use called Oh Julia. The link to the font in the description below. I just typed it out. I did nothing else to it. So you can see the spacing issues that are caused by typing this out in Design Space. I can go to the top toolbar and move the letter spacing closer, but you see on the screen it still isn't, the text isn't going to look the way it should unless I ungroup and manually move each and every letter where it should be. So what I'm going to show you today is how to get perfect text like this every time and avoid the issues in Cricut Design Space and save tons of time. So to do that, we are going to use a program called Inkscape. Inkscape is a free vector-based software that you can download and use as an alternative to Cricut Design Space. I will leave a link to Inkscape in the description below. Once we're in Inkscape, this is what your screen will look like. And this box you see on the screen is my canvas. It's basically my paper. So to start, if you don't see your text and font over on the right-hand side, you can go to Text and then Text and Font, and that'll come up. To start typing our text, we'll want to grab the text tool over on the left hand side and then click within our canvas. Okay, now we're going to press Escape twice to release the text tool and then click our text one more time, and that's going to bring up these arrows on it, and we're going to pull out on this side arrow and hold Control so it keeps our text proportionate. Okay, so we've got our text. What we want to do is click in the text so that we can highlight it. Go ahead and just drag and highlight the text, and then go up to your fonts. You can either go to the top left where mine is or over to the right if you have that window open. But I'm going to type in Oh Julia. Alright, so to release the selection or text tool, escape twice. There are a few other steps that you need to take in order to cut your design with Cricut. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to select our text. We're going to go to Path, Object to Path. Go to the left and click Object. Ungroup, back to Path one more time, Union. Okay, and now our text is ready to be saved, and we can import it in Cricut Design Space. So we'll go to File, Save As, and I'll save it as Inkscape script. Your save options will be Inkscape SVG or plain SVG. Ignore the rest of them. Actually, ignore them all except for plain SVG, and you'll want to save it as that and then click Save. So now we'll go over to Cricut Design Space and we'll click Upload, Upload Image, Browse. There's our script. There it is on the screen. Save, and then select and insert your image, and here it is. So if you have any questions, let me know below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.